Here we have the Center Street number 2 road crossing here in Hannibal, Missouri. First signal, we have a Harmon cantilever. Two pairs of Safe Trent by 24-inch incandescent lights. We have Safe Trent by 24-inch lights on the overhead part of the cantilever that are incandescent. The gate mast, we have a double-sided USNS base, a USNS gate mechanism, and a Rayco junction box for some reason. We have Safe Trent by 24-inch incandescent lights on the gate mast, USNS Model 95 gate mechanism, Rayco LED gate lights. Gate has the older striping. Bell on the signal is a GS Type 2 E-bell. Hang on. This is on the BNSF K line, known as the Hannibal sub. That way it's facing north towards Burlington, Iowa. Track view south towards St. Louis, Missouri. Relay bungalows for both crossings up there. Wait for this cop to pass. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Here's the second cantilever and gated signal. We have another Harmon cantilever. We have 3 pairs of Safe Trent by 24-inch incandescent lights. The overhead lights are more Safe Trent by 24-inch incandescent lights. Gate is the oldest striping with 4-inch Rayco incandescents. Bell on the signal is a General Signals Type 1 electronic bell. USNS base on this signal. USNS gate mechanism. A Rayco junction box for some reason. Safe Trent by 24-inch incandescent lights on the gate mast. So here we have the Center Street crossing number 2 here in Hannibal, Missouri. Over and out.